Side of the house.
What?
Side of the house. Okay, we are 12 hours to go before Hurricane Ike hits us. Actually, before it even hits the coast.
Ike is dumb. Ike is dumb.
This is one of the things that we are worried about. And so is that. Guess we'll see what happens. Okay, so it's September 12th, 10 minutes to 2. Katie, you got anything to say?
Yes. Let all animals be protected during this storm. Where are they? By this one.
Okay, this is Katie and Daddy signing off. We'll see you in a little while. Look at this. The kids actually cleaned up their room. Wow. Awesome. That might have to move. The bathroom. I guess they want to sleep in the tub. I don't know how they're going to do that. Matthew's ready for some entertainment. Okay, I'm out at the street. The neighbor helped us with the boarding up of the house. There's a bandana right there under the tree, so we can see what the wind is. Unfortunately, it's probably too close to the house because it's not really doing anything. But if you look at the trees, trees are busy. Yeah, they're starting to pick up. That thing's still picking up there, yeah. Anyway, it's 7 o'clock in the evening, and we are hunkered down. Cars are in the garage and next to the house. We're ready. I don't know how well you can see this, but the sky is purple. Purple sky. Okay. It is
hang on, I'll tell you. 4:45
in the morning.
4:45 a.m.
Power's out.
The power is out.
That's a candle's out.
We have a couple of candles going. Probably just want one on.
Ike is here. Well, almost here.
I don't like you, Ike.
Ike made landfall about 3 hours ago in Galveston, which is now 17 feet deep.
No, it was about 6:30. I made landfall. It's
Not the eye wall.
The eye still hasn't hit there from last checking. We're up to 44-mile-per-hour winds outside.
Very windy.
And
pool cover's coming up.
Pool cover's half off.
Again.
But it's tied down, so hopefully we don't lose it. Make it
You're
turn
very
up.
smart. I never would have thought of tying it down.
Well, we'll see what happens.
Yeah. A lot of things hitting the roof.
Hopefully no trees.
Thanks, Katie. Yeah, good one.
You're welcome.
Hopefully no trees. Okay. Anyway, this is our 4:30 a.m. sign on, check in, whatever.
This is cool.
Yep.
Katie's insane and we're going to bed. Good night.
Good night.
We could go outside and
Yeah, we can go.
look
Oh,
outside.
okay. We could do that.
Yay! I'm going.
Okay, you can't really see anything at all.
There's our bandana.
There's our bandana. You can hear the wind, but the bandana's not really doing a whole heck of a lot.
We got
I'll go.
branches down.
Hey, be careful. Close the door.
We got branches. Our yard does have leaves and branches this time. And it's misting. We got some stuff up on the roof.
Well, we're holding firm. Can't see anything, so I'm gonna turn this off. Good night.
Good night. Okay, it's now, what, 7:30 in the morning, and this is our pathway. That's our road. That's a ginormous tree. That's our neighbor's tree. That's our neighbor's. That's our yard. And my trellis is still standing. Probably shouldn't be out there.
No, I just want to make sure that everybody's okay.
And that transformer's hanging. But our transformer is still there. And I gotta wipe off the lens. Holy cow. Look at how it split that down the center of the trunk. Where was that one?
I don't know. I don't know which tree that was.
Glory be to God, our tree is still standing.
Looks like it'll go that way now.
So far. We don't have electricity. We don't know what the wind is. But we could guess, what, 70?
Oh yeah, it's about
70 miles an hour. Mom and Dad have a tree down on the roof and it's leaking through. The shingles are gone and it's leaking, making the roof leak. We got a mess, but with God's grace, He's keeping us safe. All right, we're in the backyard.
Not recording.
Yeah, we're in the backyard, and our deck has a few things on it. Hang on. But what's gone? Oh, they got a tree hanging over their house. That was a big gust. We got a few things up on the roof.
That's nothing.
Nothing, yeah. And our pool is still standing, thank you God. And we're catching water, but there's not a lot.
Not a lot of rain.
Not a lot of rain at all. Well, this is closer than it used to be. There's
Something fell down there.
Something fell right here. That's not supposed to be there. That may just be blown. Oh, but there is that tree. That could be on the house. Look at these trees sway.
It looks like it's alright. Look at the sky. Man, look at that wind.
The sky is
Clouds are
flying
amazing.
by. This is straight over my head.
Hold on.
Oh, that's probably over 70 miles an hour.
Oh, yeah. You can judge it by the direction. That means the core is over this way.
That means what?
The core is over this way. The eye. Because it goes
I
around like
said it
this.
sounds like it was coming from that direction, but I wasn't really sure. Oh gosh.
That was a branch.
That was a giant branch if that was a
That
branch.
was a big branch.
Holy smokes. That thing's gonna come tumbling down. Okay, I'm trying to breathe. You see that? I got that one. Woohoo!
That was a little one too.
Oh, it didn't sound little,
Oh,
did
that
it?
little guy that we caught.
Oh.
There was a branch about the size of the top third of that tree, which is still standing.
That scared the pants off me. Whoa. Hey, my hand's shaking. I could see it in the camera. Holy cow. I'm waiting for that one to tip right off. That one is too close to power lines depending on which way it goes.
There's no juice in the line for soda.
Oh, Katie Marie. Good morning.
Back up.
Whoa.
Back up. Back up.
Hi, baby girl.
I guess you needed that, huh?
Hello. Well, it's really windy out here. You can see the yard and the big huge tree. There's one right there and there's one right over there. And there's a split tree. And there's a ton of water right here.
There it is, right there.
And well, the pond's not overflowing yet. Tree's still standing. The trellis is just about to the ground.
It's still standing though, it didn't break. If that falls down, it's not because it's broken. It's because the ground is so soft, and it's soft and soft. Anyway,
And
there.
Clinton's gonna kill the branches even more.
Now it's really raining.
Yep.
Yeah, that dead tree's not even moving. There's a line down. Right there. That one's a little low.
Well, if I was in the elephant ears, they wouldn't save me.
You'd be wet.
Yeah. I'm gonna open you. Soaking wet. I'm soaking wet. Hey, please move.
This is our road. We do have another tree down over there. This will be a lot to trim up. Golly. The power. Look at that. That is just truly amazing. Gosh. We got hummingbirds flying around out here. Still raining and everything. Definitely got a stream going through our walkway. My trellises stayed up. My tomatoes stayed up. I don't know how. I guess I did good putting it in. This is, oh my gosh, 2 inches underwater right there. That other tree, that's a doozy. Yep, I'm on the wrong spot. There. There's the stump. Oop, wrong way. That's definitely blocking our way. There's a car trying to get through. Gotta turn around. There's part of our yard. And there's the big branch that's laying on the neighbor's garage. What do you got? Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Come on. Hey. Glory. Bring it. Bring it. Glory. Bring it. Come on. Come. What do you got? You got a tree. What do you have there? What do you have? Sit. Sit. Hey. Sit. Sit. Oh, no. Oh, give me that. Give me that. Give. You're gonna make me dizzy. Yeah? You're gonna hit me with a tree. Ow! Sit down. Who's a pretty girl? Who? Are you feeling guilty or something? You walk away like that? You gotta go potty. Okay. Wow.
I got 2 piles in our yard, that one and one in the back. And a line of stuff. He's gonna back his truck up.
You guys did awesome.
I think everybody's tired. They're having sandwiches. Oh,
Amazing.
somebody showed up
Showed up for
next across the street.
the street is clear. My lumberjack man's coming home.
There. Now you can see all the way down to the end of the hill.
I know. That's awesome. That was all covered.
Like a dog without a bone and left all alone. Riders on the stroll. There's a killer on the moon. His brain is swelling like a tube. Take it on holiday. Let the children play. If you give this man a rise, you come in and die. Killer on the road. Yeah. Come on! as we're born into this world of throne. Like a dog without a bone,